Hello, welcome to Shivik Sir YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about NCERT maths class, that is 10th. Okay, chapter number 11, that is constructions. Okay, exercise 11.2, question number 3. Question is, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. First you can draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. Okay, so each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. This is the so first I will draw here 3 centimeter one circle. Okay, with the help of compass you can take here 3 centimeter radius and you can draw C1 circle. Okay, so you can consider this is center of the circle and you can draw here one 3 centimeter C1 circle. 3 centimeter one C1 circle. Okay, so next you can draw here one diameter. You can draw diameter. This is diameter. Okay, so next in question, take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. From its center you can take here 7 centimeter from both side. Okay, both side you can take here 7 centimeter from its center. Okay, so this is the center of the circle. From the center to here you can take a 7 centimeter and you can extend this diameter. Okay, so you can call this one as P. Okay, similarly you can extend here also. This is center. From here to here you can extend this one and you can call this one as Q. Okay, this is center of the circle O and its length is 7 centimeter. Okay, this is also 7 centimeter. Next you can bisect here OP. You can bisect OP with the help of compass. You can take more than half and you can draw an arc upside and an arc downside. Okay, so from center I'll take here more than half and I'll draw here one arc upside and another one arc downside. From P point you can cut these two and you can join these two. You can join this one. Okay, so OP bisect at X point. Similarly you can bisect here OQ. Okay, so with the help of compass you can take more than half and you can draw one arc upside, one arc down. Okay, from Q point you can intersect these two arcs. Okay, where these two intersect you can join these two. Right, so next OQ bisect at Y you can call. Okay, with the help of compass you can consider X as center and you can take XP as radius or XO as radius you can take. Okay, next you can draw here C2 circle. You can draw C3 circle. Right, so this is C1. Right, this is C3, this is C2. Okay, so here this is C1 circle and this is C2 circle. These C1 and C2 circle intersect at A and A dash. You can call this one as A and you can call this one as A dash. Okay, similarly this is C1 circle and this is C3 circle. C1 and C3 circle intersect at B and B dash you can call. Okay, B dash. C1 C2 intersect at A dash. C1 C3 intersect at B dash. Next you can join this A to P and A dash to P and also B to Q, B dash to Q you can join. Okay, so I will join here A to P. B dash to Q, you can join these two, and also you can join B to Q. Okay, so this is the required figure. Okay, so because draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points, that is P and Q. So already we drawn here 2 tangents from P and 2 tangents from Q. Okay, this is the required figure. Next I will go to steps of construction. Next we'll discuss here steps of construction. First you can write, draw a circle C1 with center O as radius 3 centimeter. Okay, after that you can draw ST diameter in the circle. In the circle you can draw here one ST diameter. So this is the ST diameter. Okay, this is C1 circle of radius 3 centimeter, right? So next I will go to third one. Third point is locate both the sides of diameter points P and Q 7 centimeter away from center of circle O and join OP and OQ. So here you can join 2 points, that is P and Q, from both the sides of the diameter. Here you can locate both the sides of the diameter P and Q. Okay, and these two are away from its center 7 centimeter. Okay, 7 centimeter away from its center. Next bisect OP and OQ at X and Y. Okay, so let X and Y are the midpoints of the OP and OQ respectively. Next take X as center and XO or XP as radius. Draw a C2 circle. Okay, after that let it intersect C1 at A and A dash. Next taking O as center and YO or YQ as radius, draw a C3 circle. Let it intersect C1 circle at B and B dash. After that you can join PA and PA dash, also join BQ and B dash Q. Then PA, P dash, BQ and B dash Q are the required 4 tangents to the circle of radius. So in this justification you can join OA and OA dash. So I will join here OA and OA dash. This is OA, I will join this one. Okay, similarly I will join here OA dash. Okay, and also you can join here OB dash, and also you can join OB dash. Okay, you can join OB and OB dash, right? So this is 90 degree, this also 90 degree, this also 90 degree, this also 90 degree. Okay, so question is why this is 90 degree, why this is 90 degree, and why this is 90 degree, why this is 90 degree. See here we know that is angle in a semicircle. Okay, so angle in a semicircle, this is the diameter and this is semicircle. In this semicircle we got here one angle, that is PAO. So angle in semicircle is always right angle. Similarly this also, similarly this also, and similarly this also, because this also angle in semicircle. So that's why these 4 are 90 degree. Okay, so next I will go to justification. So we know that angle in semicircle is right angle. Okay, therefore PAO is equals to 90 degree. Therefore angle PAO is equals to 90 degree. This is the angle, this is angle, this is the, so this is the angle which is 90 degree, because angle in a semicircle. Okay, so here OA is perpendicular to PA. This is OA which is perpendicular to PA. If this is perpendicular to PA means then this is tangent, because tangent means angle between radius and tangent is 90 degree. So that's why we got here 90 degree, it means this is tangent. So therefore I will write here AP is tangent to the circle. So this is the AP, this is tangent to this circle, right? So this is the AP, this is tangent to this circle from P point. Similarly PA dash is also tangent to this circle. Okay, and also BQ is tangent to the circle and B dash Q is also tangent to the circle. So you can write here similarly PA dash BQ and B dash Q are also tangents to the circle, you can write. So I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. For more videos please you can subscribe.